to a brand new Melbourne Riot Videos production. Today I am here at Prahran. We've got 708M departing. $2,540. 707M, 787M, 2,544T, and 788M. Just look around the station. Prahran is, I think it's quite well used. It's quite close to the city. You can see the apartments there, some under construction. That's looking towards Sandringham. There's space there if the platform needs to be extended at some stage, which is good. Future planning. That looks like it's Unions. No, I don't know what street that is. Prahran's actually got a second entrance here. Would make furivation a lot easier. Then there's the quaint little level crossing up the end there. We've got a train arriving. Hopefully I can film all of it because there's a guy who's probably on drugs or something that's been swearing away, shouting. So, yeah. Siemens sets. They seem to be quite common on this line. Sandringham service. $777M's leading, it's returning again. Seem to be getting the same trains in these videos that I filmed today. And it's now departing. Well, it should be. Doors are closed, I think. There we go. It will stop next at Windsor, 2,539T, 778M, 755M, 2,528T, and 756M. This station's also got tram connections. There's a tram line just up there. Not sure what route it is, and I think there's a tram line beyond the level crossing up that bridge up there. Anyway, I'll better film this train. I think it's coming very shortly. Might as well end the video after, well, I will be after it comes in. So thank you all very much for watching. If you did like it, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel if you like my videos in general. And thank you once again for watching. Siemens sets. Flinders Street service. $768M, 2,534T, 767M, 833M, 2,567T, and the rear car is 834M. See you in the next video.